Uba Charles Pynrem State President ke TMC ha Meghalaya ula Pynrem juri ke Jingbym Niewkor ke Sorkari ki Nonghikai. Ula ong nga ai ke jing sngongu shabaro ki Nonghikai ba ki Nonghikai kilong ubut lom ke imlang ke salang bat ki dei meki bawanra ya ke jing start hakari bat ke jelahi barok kawai. Uba Charles ula benrap syuk-syuk da ke baong kumbang ada ya ledi Nonghikai minchwa ngas ngosi banyu i ke jing le bam sutnyau ke Sorkari ki. Bat mau ringkat lang bat Nonghikai gidawa na ke Sorkar ban shim no mardori ki sinjam ban yirap i Nonghikai hakajing im bat ke kamjung ki. Bat ke day ban long ke pang peding ke ba ke Sorkar ke baminta ke day ban bo hakmat e.
And here as President of the Meghalaya All India Tribunal Congress, I strongly put on record my condemnation of the treatment meted out to the teachers and want to extend my utmost gratitude to them. This is not the right way to handle our teachers who have been the backbone of society and trying to build up a state in providing education to each and every one of the children of the state. As a former teacher myself, I grieve with them and I also share their grief and difficulties they are going through, and we demand that the government take proactive steps or corrective measures to help them in the days to come so that such things should not happen again, and the life and careers of the teachers should be kept in the mind and the system of the present government. As I conclude, may I place on record my appreciation for the work that you've been doing all these years, and a special thank you teachers.